everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to the Ipondok Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead vents as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. On behalf of the entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Bersosa and First Officer Bonatorcha, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you some more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na naisip niyong itapan sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For guests within front, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. For guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised that the plane asks for proper gout endorsement. Sa mga panuhin na nangangailangan ng tulong gaya ng wheelchair, kayo pong huling bababa. Maraming salamat po.